Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Jupyter Notebook. So I will explain you each and every option of Jupyter Notebook so you can start your Python programming. Before I get into this, I want to tell you that how to install Jupyter Notebook. So what you have to do, you just need to search on Google Anaconda Python download, and on the first link you can click. Make sure it's the official website anaconda.com download, and then you can click on download and install it. There is a separate video where you can see in detail how we can download and install. It's a simple, there is no customization. You just do next and it will be downloaded. So now what you have to do, you just need to search here Anaconda Navigator. When you will click, it will open this Anaconda Navigator, or in this Anaconda Navigator you can find Jupyter Notebook. So it's very simple to find Jupyter Notebook. You can scroll down and find this and click here launch. So it will show you this home page. So this is a home page of Jupyter Notebook. It will be open in a browser. So this is a Chrome browser. Here it opened my Jupyter Notebook link. Here I will choose any folder. Suppose I want to use this folder, and on project I want to use anywhere you can save your files. So practice I want to use here. So here you can if you want to create a separate folder, you can create a folder. Suppose this is the folder. Click here and rename it. It's a project 2. So it's in a desktop. There is a folder practice, and inside the practice folder there is a project 1 and project 2. So in a project 2 I want to open a new notebook file, Python file. So I will open a notebook file. So here you have to give a name. So I can give test1 and rename. And now this is my Jupyter Notebook where I will run a program. So simply here you can write your code. So here I will use hello world I want to print and run this program, and it will show the results. So output it will show you just below the coding. So this we call a cell, and you can hide your cell by double click on here. So this is the output, this is input, and this is you run one time. If you click on this one more time, it will show you this is a second run. So this is how it works. By default it use code. If you want to use heading, you can use heading here. So before we go to this option, I want to explain it from the beginning. So here you can open a new notebook if you want. If you want to open, you can open. You can make a copy of this notebook. You can save. It is a auto saved, but you have to run the program. If all the program you have run, so it will save the program, I mean the file completely. So it's a auto save functionality. You can revert saving. There is some options you can revert. Print preview, you can review your print. You can show, if you want to show some people that what you write, you can simply use this option. You can download. Suppose I want to download an HTML file, you can download and open it like this. And suppose I want to download in Python, so .py is a Python file. So I want to share my code to another developer, you have to just download it in a Python form. So you can close and hold. You can close this notebook simply. It's a close button. In edit, cut cell. Suppose I want to cut this cell. So let me copy it. So I want to cut this cell. This is the option, cut. And now I will add this. And second option, copy. Suppose I want to copy this cell, so you have to select here, you have to click here, and after clicking you have to copy the cell. Now here you want to paste, so click here this cell and just paste below, paste and replace, paste above. It provides the all option. I want to paste it below, so I pasted below this cell. So now I want to replace it, hello one, so I will use paste cell and replace, so it will replace hello one with hello, right? And then fourth option is delete cell. I want to delete cell, it will delete. You want to undo the deletion, you can undo, it will back soon. So this is by mistake, if you delete any cell you can easily undo your deletion. So now split cell, suppose I want to split this cell, click here, and just for the example I'm saying, because generally we don't do this, but to understand, it's splitted. And if you merge cell above, so you have to click below cell and merge it, so it's merged with the above cell. Similarly, the merge cell below, it will work. Move cell up, so I want to move this cell up here, this place, so I will select this and then move cell up, so it's going up. And if I want to below, move cell down, then I can down it. Now edit notebook metadata, it's not the required field. So here in a view, it's a toggle header. Toggle header means the Jupyter text one. So this area is a toggle header. So you can hide it and you can show it. So it's in the view section. And toggle toolbar, this is a toolbar. This is your toolbar. You can hide it if you want. If you want to show, you can show it. Line numbers, if you want numbers in the coding, that would help. So it will, sometimes you get error. Suppose if I run it, it will show the numbers. If in a one line there is a error, so you easily reach on the number and fix the error. So it will make it shortcut. So here few more things, you can row cell formatting and site, so it will show you what you have. So these are not much important, I would suggest, and don't go into that. Tags you can add here, so it's for the attachment. If you have, then you can attach the file. So it's not helpful much, you just keep it none always, that would be great. Let's go to the insert menu. Here you can see insert cell above, so you can insert cell above, and I want to remove the lines. And if you want to add cell below, you can add the cell below by using this option. So these are the two options. Their shortcut option is here, plus. So you can plus any number of cells you can create. And if you want to move, you can use this one. You want to go down, this one. You want to cut, you can cut. You want to cut more, you can cut easily. You can save, it says auto save, you don't need this. You can run, you can stop. So it's a interrupt the kernel. There is a one more option, interrupt. You can interrupt the kernel, but you can stop. Sometimes it's taking too much time to run any program. So there is a big program and it's taking too much time to run. You can stop it because you want to do some other work. So it is very helpful. You can restart the kernel. Kernel means the whole file you can restart. So this is all your options. you have to use sometime stop, restart you can use. Clear output, if I use clear output, it will remove my all outputs like this. So fresh uh, program it will show you. So these are the options here, very helpful. Okay, then here one more option is uh, code, markdown, and row and view convert. So these options are also available here. So how they work? Suppose I want to use a heading, so I will create and I will send it here. Here I want to use heading. So by default it takes code. I will use here heading. So this is a level 2 heading. If you use one hash, this is a level 1 heading, and run it. You can simply use Control Shift if you want to run a program. Here is a all shortcut to use this. Copy, insert, for example B means new. So these are all shortcuts we can use. This is the insert cell below, so B you can use. So I'm clicking here and pressing B. Yeah, right, so it's working fine. So there are so many shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts I'm talking about, you can use it. So this is a heading 1. Suppose I want to use heading 2. So here I will select heading, and then I will use without space hash 2 hash and level 2 heading, and then run it. So it will be a smaller than first. And similarly you can create a third heading by using this. So for this I have to use 3 hash, label 3 heading. So on you can use your headings. Markdown means you can use any. Suppose I want a notes I want to create here, so I can use simply star star text and star star and then run it. So now I will select here markdown. It will not show any error and it will make it the text bold, right? So double click here and you can edit again. So I want to say I want to bold this text and just run it. So here you can see easily this is a bold and this is a without bold text. So these are some markdown. If you click here it will show you markdown. So markdown means you can mark the text. It's like a notes or you want to explain before you write a program. So similarly there are so many shortcuts. If I use 1 star like this and here I use markdown and run it, so it's italic. Suppose I use this one and select markdown and then, so it will show you like this. So here you can find all the shortcuts. Markdown, click here and somewhere you can find, yeah, on the third click, I mean on the third link, on this link you can find these, bold, italic, strike through, bold and nested italic, all bold and italic, subscript. So these are all shortcuts are available here, you easily can use. So this is a help center. You can use user interface tool, so it will tell you so many things. These are some references where you can learn more about your libraries. This is a NumPy library, so here you can learn all about NumPy, all the features of NumPy. So this is your all Jupyter notebook. Thank you so much. for watching this video. If you need if you want to ask anything, you can ask in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.